Good morning, it's Alex Robertson, the Operations Section Chief for Portland NIMO. Today's your operational briefing for the 416 fire for July 1st. So we'll start up here in the northeast corner, up Purgatory Ski Area. We actually moved some more resources in there yesterday. The intent of moving more folks in there was really just to familiarize themselves with the lines, the pump systems, and everything that's been in place for a couple weeks. Was installed there to protect Purgatory if and when the fire ever got there. We saw that significant fire movement a mile and a half over a couple days previous to yesterday. The good news is yesterday we didn't see very much fire movement at all. Just if you notice the new infrared, we've got little places where the fire moved around just a little bit, but nothing organized, nothing growing nearly as quickly as we saw the previous couple days. So those folks will continue to be in there. Really the idea is that we just need folks to be familiar with all those systems just in case we do need to implement them. As of right now, with current weather and what we're seeing in fire behavior, not anticipating that happening anytime soon, but we want to be prepared if and when we need to do that. Moving down, everything is very the same all the way down the 550 corridor. Continued smoke impacts at nighttime with inversion and in the Durango area. So as we move around to the south, everything is still in place in Branch 1 in Gulf, Fox, and Echo. And then moving up into H where we've been doing our burnout. The map's a little bit different today because a lot of that burnout's showing up in the IR. It's filling in these holes, and we have our fire tied into Olga Little Mountain, which is our goal, our endpoint. And we'll continue to try to fill some of these gaps in with PSD this morning. But for the most part, that operation is complete. Now it's more of a filling in a couple holes and then holding on to what we have. You'll notice on our map we have a new Division Oscar, Division O. What that represents is the wilderness area from the branch break up here in Upper Hermosa to the wilderness boundary in Division H. And that is unstaffed. We don't have anybody out there. It's just what we're referencing as the wilderness area that we don't have folks, and we continue to monitor fire growth. And you'll notice that we did have a little bit of fire growth in a few areas, but nothing like what we'd seen in the past. With some moderating weather that's predicted through this week, we'd expect to see a little bit of fire growth, but really don't have the conditions we believe to really line up and move the fire to the west very quickly. So we'll continue to monitor from the air and not have any action in there. Expect to see continued smoke in the valleys. The fires, until it receives a significant amount of rain, we're going to continue to have smoke production out of this, a lot of heavy fuels, and that smoke will come down into the valley at nighttime with inversions and then clear out during the day, and have our hopefully clear air during the day. And that's about it for today. We'll talk to you tomorrow.